Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join on parties of your friend on Sample Guys. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so first of all, you want to install Sample Guys on your device. After that, go ahead and open this Sample Guys application. So we just need to wait. So let me check if okay there. And then once you've opened your application, just go ahead and click on party at the right side of your screen. And here you can see at the right side there's this enter room code. So just go ahead and ask your friend for the room code of their party. Okay, and then once you have the code, just go ahead and type that here. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click join. Okay, and now you can start playing with your friends, and that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.